How to get free spins on Temu app. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can get free spins on Temu app. Now simply open up Temu app here, make sure you're logged into your account and you'll get an interface like this. Now at the very first here you can see I just created this account, so I'm getting a new user gift here. I'll be able to spin it here for the couple of coupons or discounts here. Now if you want to get free spins on Temu app, the process is quite simple. What you want to do is at the very top you can see the search bar. Simply search in here, and at the search bar you want to search in for redeem. Type in REDEEM and simply search it, and you'll be headed to this page here. You can see it has loaded up. Now you can refer one friend and you will be able to spin it. So what you want to do is you want to refer, you can send your tap on refer option and you want to copy code here. Once you copy this code, what you can do is you can send this referral code to other friends, and what they have to do is once they open up the account, or you can create a new account and you can do it yourself. What you want to do is open up a new account and then tap on the U option here and then tap on coupons and offers here, and on enter coupon code what you want to do is paste in the code. Now remember, your friend has to paste in the code here and then tap on apply and it'll be valid. Now since I'm the one doing this, it's invalid, but once you do this you'll get free spins. So this way you can get free spins on Temu app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.